What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here coming at you from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. And check this out. I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this new arrival. We just got this car in, 1968 Dodge Charger. This is the muscle car. When you think of 60s and 70s muscle car, there's two cars that probably come to mind. One of them being a 70 Chevelle, then the other one being a Coke bottle style Charger, 68 to 70. So this is the first year of the second gen Charger. As you can see, the headlights do work. I'm going to give you the rundown. What works, what does not. Okay. Doors open and close nicely. It's a very presentable driver, quality car. Not a show car, but very presentable driver. Just one little tear on the seat there. Other than that, pretty much good. A little wear and tear on this dashboard here, but other than that, once again, pretty good. Let's go with these. Turn the turn signals on. Give it a rev too. Sounds great. Radio, factory AM, that does work. Factory AM. Climate controls, they don't work. I've tried to play with it. I don't hear a fan coming on, blower motor, so they do not work. It's got your tick-tock tack, does not work. I believe your speedo does work. Do not quote me on that. All the other gauges do in fact work. Okay, no light, brake light isn't on, so that means we do have brakes. Left turning signal works. You see, this is dim, so that is one issue I will address. And like I said, guys, these cars are sold as is. If you watch the videos, you know we're sold as is, but we do have a full service center. So anything that needs to be addressed, tell us, and we'll give you a quote. Tell your sales representative. Right turn signal works. Like I said, left tail light on the right, the left light on the right tail light is dim. Does it work in the front too? Works in the front. As you can see, the engine bay is pretty clean. I got this car running, and it just runs really good. Sounds good. Part of the reason I don't want to shut it off, it sounds so good. Horn does work. All your windows roll up and down nicely. Like I said, interior is really clean for what it is. As you can see, this car was probably redone at one point a while ago, probably 30 years ago or something. And I would probably assume that most of these, the dashboard stuff is original except for the tack. I doubt a 318 car would come with a tack. It does have a 904 transmission, column shift, bucket seats. Let's try the wipers. Wipers kind of work. Let's see, put those down. So they kind of work. Let's take the key out, turn this car off. Get the trunk key. I probably should have turned the lights off before I turned the car off, so they close, but they do close. You can see the photos on the website. A little dark, but the trunk is pretty clean. The quarters look like they have been replaced at one point, as most of these cars. All your chrome is in great shape. The paint shines nicely. Like I said, probably an older repaint. Not perfect, but shines really nice. Your wheels in great shape. Good tires on the car. Your antenna's a little loose. And pretty much it. Very nice example of a Charger that is ready to drive. Hard to find a driver quality Charger, a very presentable one. You either find them halfway rotted out or complete show cars. So here is a good one if you want to get into the Chargers. We got it priced great. These cars are probably one of the most expensive classic muscle cars. So this one is priced pretty reasonably, especially considering what good shape it is in. I do believe that the fender tag is not original to the car. I do not know if it matches the engine or what the story is on there. I don't believe the engine is original. It's probably a replacement 318, but I do believe this car is an original 318 car. And remember, guys, these are just my thoughts and opinions. None of these are stated as facts. These are completely my thoughts and opinions. Just clarifying that out there for you guys. Overall, really nice example of a Charger. One of the most gorgeous cars ever created. I mean, look at that Coke bottle body styling. So give us a call if you're interested, 847-848-1850. You know the phone number, mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday, Saturday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., all by appointment only. We offer special financing with great monthly payments and shipping all over the United States, open and enclosed, bonded and insured. So everybody, this car could be to your door with financing and shipping, and you don't have to worry about a thing. So give us a call, 847-848-1850. And remember, folks, it sure looks good here, but look a whole lot better in your garage. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you soon. Mr. Jenkins, out. Bye-bye.